Do you want to learn how to create websites? Or just want to learn HTML and CSS? I bet you already tried taking some online courses, but you're left more confused than when you started because of all the technical stuff, complex explanation, confusing code, right? I understand all of this because I was in the same situation a few years ago. I'm Matthew, and I'm one of the instructors at XEO Learning. I have 5 years of experience with HTML and CSS, and I still see other people struggling with the same stuff I struggled with, trying to learn HTML and CSS on their own from the beginning. I'll be your instructor for Learn HTML and CSS with Pleasure course, and I'll exclude any struggles in your learning for the next few hours. Actually, I'm going to help you develop an intuitive understanding of how each time HTML and CSS work. In this course, we'll learn HTML and CSS in easy-to-follow ways, and we'll also build a simple but attractive web page together. I'll explain why the code we write looks the way it does, and we'll go through the best coding practices. We'll figure out how HTML and CSS work together to create awesome web pages. We'll also talk about lots of helpful and free web building tools, including code validators, free icon libraries, color scheme generators, and much more. Essentially, I took all my knowledge of HTML and CSS and created this easy-to-follow, step-by-step tutorial that takes you from knowing nothing about HTML and CSS to creating your first beautiful-looking web pages from scratch. By the end of this course, you guys will be able to use HTML and CSS and do it professionally, like I do. I really look forward to being your instructor and have a great time teaching you.